Hello, myself Rajeshwari Nalbalwar from TECOM. Today I will explain stop words in data warehouse and data mining with the help of machine learning. Basically, what is stop words? Firstly, what is our aim? Consider a suitable text data set, remove the stop words, apply the steaming feature selection technique to represent the documents as a vector, and classify the documents and evaluate the precision and recall. The objectives are implementation of the problem statement using Python, remove the stop words, apply the streaming and feature selection. So basically the stop words are the words which are filtered out before or after processing of a natural language data set. Through the stop words usually refer to the most common word in a language. There is no single universal list of stop word used by all the natural language processing tools. And indeed not all tools even use such a list. Some tools specifically avoid removing the stop words to support phrase search. This is the code of to remove the stop word. So let's see the code to how to remove the stop words. So firstly we need the NLTK library, which is natural language toolkit. So firstly we have import NLTK. From NLTK download the stop word, which is the package related to the stop word. Almost 18 language stop words are stored in the dictionary. Now download the PUNKT from the NLTK. This is also the package related to the stop word. This is the code to remove the stop word. From NLTK tokenize imports, we have to import send tokenize and word tokenize. So I have written here from NLTK corpus import stop word. This is the data which we have taken, and now we have said the stop word in English language because we have given the data in English language. Now we have written stop words is equals to word underscore tokenize data, and words filter is stored in empty array. Now we have applied here the for loop, and we have trained the words filter, and we can see the output. In the output we see all the small words which take more memory are removed. So now we have next, it is related to the steaming. So basically the steaming is, one second, basically the steaming is the process of reducing inflected words to their stem based on root from, generally a written word form. The stem need not be identical to the morphological root of the word. It is usually sufficient that related words map to the same stem, even if this stem is not in the itself a valid root. Algorithm for the stemming have been studied in the computer science since the 1960s. This is the code for the stemming with the NLTK tool in the Python module. So let's see it that firstly I have import NLTK stem for and from that we have import the poster stemmer, and from NLTK tokenize import send tokenize and word tokenize. And for example we have taken here, and then we have applied the for loop. So you can see the output. We have to apply the feature selection algorithm, so that moving towards the feature extraction. In the machine learning and statistic, feature selection, also known as variable selection, attribute selection, or variable subset selection. In the process of selecting a subset of the relevant features for use in the model extraction, feature selection techniques are used for four reasons: simplification of the model to make them easier to interrupt for researchers, users users, shorter second one, shorter training time, third, to avoid the curses of dimensionalities, enhance the generalization by reducing overfitting. This is the feature extraction architecture. It begins by processing a document using several of the process producer discussed in 3 and 5th. 3 and 5th. First, the raw text of the document is splitted into the sentence using a sentence segmenter, and each sentence. Finally, we have to classify the documents and evaluate the precision recall. So what is precision? Precision is equals to true positive upon true positive plus false positive, and record is equals to true positive upon true positive plus false negative. So thank you.